Hey everyone, it's been a while since it's been really hot over here, so I haven't done any videos outside. But I've had probably almost 2 weeks worth of temperatures well over 100, on some days even close to 110. And I know I've done a video before on the strawberry breeds and how some do better in temperature. So if you recall, I have the Honeoyes on the left and the Seascape on the right. And before, I planted 25 of each, and as you can see, there are many Seascapes doing well. On the flip side, there's probably only these three Honeoyes that actually made it. Now, that was in the beginning, and it seems like from what we see here, because I watered them at the exact same time, they're in the exact same location, that the seascapes have tolerated heat better in general, as you can see, but the honeyoes aren't doing bad once established. When I did set this up back in May, there was a little bit of some higher heat, so I think that definitely torched a number of the strawberries that you can see on this tower. But once they got established, from May till about August, give it 2 months, these three actually handled pretty well in 100 heat. They're not thriving, but hey, they're alive. So I think there's two parts to the question about handling heat. Of course, the seascapes definitely are doing better, but the honeyoes managed if you give them time to establish themselves. It seems like the seascape allowed you to have that higher heat right away and was able to establish themselves in high heat, whereas the honeyoes were not, but they seemed to do okay once established. So hopefully that's helpful. I'm hoping to be able to propagate these later on and give them some time to grow around the tower. But hopefully that helps with your strawberry growing journey. Thanks, everyone.